Good day, Pat the Backyard Builder here. Well, didn't get much casting done over the summer like I planned, but I did get a lot of work done on my casting area. I've made a bunch of improvements and in the process of making a few more still, but just thought I'd give you a quick update on what's happening in my little casting area. Now another improvement I've done in the casting area is to put this old irrigation control box into the ground. I've got a little bit of a problem when I'm doing a Z-bend like this here, and then I've got no place to put the tail. Now what I've had to do up until now is either block the bender up on blocks or put it up on a table, which makes it difficult to do if it's really high. But what I can do now, I can just simply open up the control box. I've got a spot down here. I grab the rebar bender. I can put it over the hole now, and all I have to do is simply drop my tail into the hole, and I'm ready to do my next bend with the bender, and it just makes life a whole lot easier. And then after I've completed making the bend, I can just simply cover up the hole, and we're all ready for doing other work.